Hello. Today I will demonstrate how to patrol a visitor parking lot using the ParkPass Patrol module. It is assumed you have set up ParkPass on your phone from watching the ParkPass Patrol module instructions video. Starting with a good internet connection, open your phone and tap the ParkPass web app icon on your home screen. Then tap the menu in the top left-hand corner. Go down to the Patroller Login selection and tap it. Your building name is already entered in location, and your Patroller ID is entered in the Suite window. Your password is also in place, so just tap the Login button. What shows is a list of checked license plate with parking passes that residents and visitors have created. Tap the Plate column top header if you want the plate to be sorted in order. You can now go to an underground parking lot without internet service. Our job is to simply move around the lot and enter any vehicles into the Patrol module that do not have a valid parking pass, because the plate is not listed on the Patrol screen table. The first vehicle we see here is listed in the Patrol module, so we simply move to the next vehicle. Okay, the second vehicle plate is not in the list, and therefore has no parking pass. Depending upon your building policy of the number of warnings needed before a ticket or fine is issued or a tow is called, type in the first letters of the plate, and the system's predictive lookup finds the plate as you are typing. It now displays any known information about the plate in the lines below. The light purple line shows the suite number attached and the parking history. If there is no suite attached, it will show the suite as Patrol. To the right of the letter P is the number 3 that indicates the vehicle has parked here 3 times in the last 30 days. Next to that is the dates that the vehicle was previously parked, and next to that is the number of hours since last parked. Now tap the dark blue line below the suite number line with Patrol listed as the suite. It moves the line up to the right of the Add button. Now tap the green Add button, and the Update Vehicle Details pop-up box appears, showing warnings, tickets, and tow notice plus buttons. I can see that this vehicle has 0 previous warnings, tickets, or tows. I tap the plus button beside warnings, and the Parking Warning pop-up entry box appears. Enter the make of the vehicle and tap Done. The plate ID is already in place, and the suite is also listed. Next, tap the down arrow beside the infraction list and choose the correct violation. In this case, the warning is for parking without a permit. Tap Done. Now enter the color of the vehicle. Below that, if you enter text into the comment box, it will be viewed by the visitor or resident. If you enter text in the P Notes box, it will only be viewed by the patroller. I will type a patroller's note as First Warning. Now tap Save Warning. I must now take a picture of the vehicle with the surroundings and the plate ID to be used as evidence in case there is a dispute of this warning. To take a photo of the vehicle, on my iPhone I double-click on the Home button, or on my Android phone I tap the square icon. Choose the camera feature and open it. I take a photo of the vehicle and scroll back to return to the Patrol module. Now I write out a physical warning notice with the same information as the electronic warning. I write the license number, the province or state, the date and the time issued, and the make, model, color, patroller ID, the reason for the violation, and any comments or patroller's notes. I place the ticket on the windshield I move on to the third vehicle, and it is listed in the Patrol module with a valid parking pass, so I can leave it alone. And now this fourth vehicle plate is not listed. I enter the plate in the Add Plate window, and the system recognizes it. In the line below, the plate is highlighted with a light brown overstripe. It shows it is a resident vehicle parked in visitor parking, detected by the patroller in resident parking during an inspection, and not input as a residential plate by the resident at sign-up. Again, depending upon the building rules, I must now issue a warning, ticket, fine, or a tow notice. If I choose, I can call the resident by tapping the suite link associated with the violation plate. And if the contact phone or text message number is available, I can call or text the resident, telling them to move the vehicle before ticketing or towing. Otherwise, I follow the same procedure as issuing a warning. Tap the dark blue line with Patrol listed as a suite and tap the green Add button. The Update Vehicle Details pop-up box appears, showing the Warnings and Tickets and Tow Notice Plus buttons. I tap the Plus Ticket button and the Parking Ticket pop-up entry screen appears. I enter the make of the vehicle and tap Done. The plate ID and suite are already in place. I tap the down arrow to the right of the infraction list and choose the correct violation. Tap Done. Now enter the color of the vehicle and I type a patroller's note as First Ticket. Now I tap Save Ticket button. I then access the camera and take a photo of the vehicle. I then write a hard copy violation ticket and place it on the windshield of the vehicle. And now to the next fifth vehicle that is not listed, and therefore does not have a parking pass. I can see this plate is not registered to any suite, as the only suite listed and shown is Patrol. I cannot give this vehicle a ticket or a fine because there is no suite to pay for it. I enter the plate with the Patrol as the suite in the Add window and tap the green Add button. The Update Vehicle Details box shows this vehicle has 2 previous warnings. I have no contact number to call, so I'll have to tow the vehicle. I tap the Tow Plus button and fill in the electronic notice with the vehicle information. I take a picture of the vehicle and go back to the ParkPass Patrol module. I have now completed the patrol and returned to the good internet access area. I tap the Update Patrol button that has appeared, and the ParkPass Patrol module is updated with all the warnings, tickets, and tows written during that patrol without internet access. The images stored in the camera roll can now be matched to the electronic tickets made on patrol that are sent to your building Gmail address created for ParkPass use. Open the Gmail address, and by viewing each subject line, it shows the license plate ID of the warning, ticket, or tow notice. You can open the email and forward that email to the same email address, allowing you to attach the photo of the vehicle from the camera roll that matches the license plate in the email subject line. Alternatively, you can wait for a ticket dispute or appeal and search for the correct vehicle plate in the email subject lines and then attach the photo from the camera roll as needed. And that concludes how to do a ParkPass patrol. If you have any questions, please contact support.